Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what is the most liked comment on YouTube. We'll dive into the details of this record-breaking comment, which has garnered over 4 million likes. It's a fascinating piece of internet history, residing on the very first video ever uploaded to the platform. This comment truly showcases the power of community and connection on YouTube, becoming a significant milestone in digital interaction. Let's explore its unique story and why it resonated with so many viewers. The most liked comment originates from the San Diego Zoo, the very location where the historic Me at the Zoo video was filmed. The comment itself expresses honor that the inaugural YouTube video was created there. This short, 18-second clip, featuring co-founder Jawed Karim, laid the foundation for the entire platform. The zoo's comment connects directly to this foundational moment, adding a layer of historical significance and charm that viewers appreciate. This comment's immense popularity stems from several key factors. Being prominently displayed on the first YouTube video ever ensures constant visibility to millions of viewers. Furthermore, it was pinned by one of YouTube's co-founders, giving it an official endorsement. The comment's simple, heartfelt message, combined with its historical context, struck a chord with a global audience, making it incredibly relatable and shareable across the platform. It's a perfect blend of timing and sentiment. The San Diego Zoo's comment has achieved an incredible feat, accumulating over 4.1 million likes and establishing a new benchmark for engagement. This record-breaking success surpassed previous top comments, including one that garnered 3.2 million likes. It truly showcases how the landscape of viral content on YouTube is constantly shifting. This achievement underscores the power of a simple, well-timed, and historically relevant comment to capture the attention and appreciation of millions worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.